Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads. I have these glitter. You're also going to need a specialty bead, and I'm going to use these flowers. And I have these on my shop, but you can use whatever you have on hand. You're also going to need a few feet of string, scissors, and a needle, but that's optional. Okay, so you're going to start with this pattern here. I went ahead and put my beads on. So if you want to stop the video and get all your beads on the string, there's two sets of rainbow on here. Okay. Now once you have all those beads on, you're going to tie this. And you're only going to cut this one, the small string. And this is what it looks like. Now you should have about 2 feet of string. And always remember, if you run out of string, you can always tie on more. So don't worry about that. Now you're also going to need to make another one, but this one, you don't leave any string attached. So we have 2, one with a long string and then no string, but they're the same pattern. So go ahead and stop the video and make one of these, and then when you're ready, come back. Okay, we're gonna put our needle on. And when you lay this down, you want to make sure that the pattern's going the same direction. We're going to start with purple, and there's a purple across, and then blue, green, yellow, and so on. Our pattern's going to be 2 purple, a clear, and 2 purple. Gosh, I don't know if you guys can hear this chair, but it's squeaky. Okay. Sorry if it's bothering anyone. But we're going to take our needle and go down this purple. See the strings coming out of both on the top. Now we're going to add 2 purple, a clear, 2 purple, and this time we're going to go up the purple and up through the blue here. So we made like a circle that went all the way around up to the blue. Now we're going to do the same thing for the blue. We're going to go down the blue. Okay. There's our pattern. Okay, this time we're going to go up the blue these two clear and the green. And you do want to give that a nice little tug when you're done. So that's what it looks like so far. I'm going to do one more color on camera. We're on green. We're going to go down this green. Okay, this time we're going to go up the green, two clear, and the yellow. And right here you want to pull it a little bit. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And we're going to do that with every color. So the next one's yellow, orange, and then pink. Go ahead and stop the video here and continue your pattern. I'm going to do these off camera and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added my last beads and they were pink, and now I'm coming out of these two clear, and I went ahead, I needed to tie some string on because I only had this much and I knew that wouldn't go all the way around. But here's what it looks like. Okay, we're coming out of the clear. Now we're going to go through the two purple and the clear. And I'm going to add a clear, a flower, and a clear. And you see the strings coming out this direction. We want to go the opposite on this side. Instead of going this way, we're going to go through here. So we added a clear, the flower, and a clear. Okay, and then in between each color, we're going to add one clear. And we're going to take our needle and go this direction. Okay, we're on the next color. Whoops. We're going to go this direction through the clear. Now we're in between colors, so we're going to put a clear, go through clear. Go up through. Okay, and this is what it's looking like. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the colors off camera, and then I'll show you how to tie it off and what it looks like. Okay guys, I'm at the end here, and I added my last color, pink, and then in between the beads I went ahead and added that one clear, and I came through this clear, and we're going to tie it. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Like, it completely changes shape at the end. And these flowers can go different directions. I really like this. And if you don't add these, you have like a completely different bracelet. Like, the cuff will lay flat. But when you add these flowers, it bunches up. I really like this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.